What's up everybody, welcome back to my laboratory where safety is number one priority. And today I'm gonna show you a very cool experiment, kinda a trick with water. We just need a water bottle, any kind of water bottle. I'm getting a clear water bottle so you guys can see. And this kind of pin, so something sharp to push holes to the bottle. Well, let's get to our experiment. So I actually went to the store and got legit 2-liter water bottle because that will work the best with that. So I'll make 6 holes in here, and water does not come out because the cup is closed. So if you push on it, water will start coming out. So we're gonna open this cup and we're gonna get to our experience. You see all these holes? I'm gonna open this. Okay, I'm gonna open this bottle right here and this start pouring. Water will start pouring. And as you can see, they all separate. What if I do it like this? Look, they all got in one, except this one. Okay, they all got in one. What if I do it like that? They all separate again. Like this again. One thing again. And I swipe it like this. Boom, they all separate again. Check it out. Right now it says 1. Boom, all separate. 1 again, separate. Alright guys, that's pretty much it. Let me know what you think in comments below. This is pretty insane. This is like water tension, something to do with that. But if you have an awesome explanation, please let us know in comments below so everyone can see. And as always, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my second channel, links in description, and Slow Mo Lab. We do a lot of cool slow motions. Anyways, thank you for watching and I'll see you next time. Water, I'm gonna drop it in here, this block, and let's see what happens. And you see it's producing smoke. You see how cool is that? So you make sure that if you do that, you use the hot water. Thick, huh?